supposed to do this, but, and you might have to if it's a big weed, but that's not what I'm talking about. I'm talking about just putting a bead in, all right? So now, if I were to clean this, I bet there's holes in it. Maybe not, I might work it out. That nasty ass metal usually causes porosity when you get a bunch of pinholes in it, but it didn't. It worked pretty good. Nice machine, by the way. It runs really well. I like that. That's not the best in the world, but it's something to look forward to. So, I'm going to do it one more time. I'm not even going to do it in the weld dome. I'm just going to do it up here. We'll see what happens. Ready? I can just drag it like this. And it's going to look like one of them pictures that says don't. See how it humps up? Totally different. Now, if it's flat, it's a whole different story. It's better to do this horizontal like that.
My kids weld. I'm going to show them this.
Now, one more time.
That's what my son is in
the
making
weld
that
dome.
too.
All right? Right now I can't see the second thing. I'm not looking through my bifocal because it's really hard for me to not see.
That's your kid? Oh,
No,
that's him doing it. I got you.
Before I start moving, you're gonna watch. Before
I
I
keep
start
telling
moving,
them go to Metro
you're
and
gonna see
take
me let
that class.
You're gonna let the puddle. I'm gonna let the puddle kind of build a little bit, and then I'll start moving. All right? Here we go. The puddle was like 3 times the size of the fucking elk. Man, when I was well done, because I can't see what it's called.
Little cricket.
Yeah, that's a don't.
That's how I do it.
Smoke a big
I'll
bowl
show you what I
before
did
you do it.
yesterday.